Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we review products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're diving into the SIHOO M57 chair, a mid-range option that offers great support and adjustability. Let's see if it's the right chair for you. The SIHOO M57 chair arrives in a giant box and requires assembly, but don't worry, it's a straightforward process. With the clear instructions provided, it took me around 25 minutes to put it together. The included white gloves added a touch of ceremony to the task, making me feel like a magician. Once assembled, the chair showcases a solid build with smoothly moving parts. It features a lever that allows you to adjust the height and tilt of the chair. While the lever works well once you get the hang of it, it can be a bit fiddly. The armrests also offer in and out movement, providing additional adjustability. And the casters glide smoothly across the floor. Design-wise, the SIHOO M57 chair is sleek and functional, although it may appear a bit basic. The mesh material gives it a no-frills look, but there's some patterning to add a touch of style. The PU-PA electroplated steel frame has a mid-range appearance and feels reasonably sturdy, albeit slightly plastic wide. In terms of comfort, the SIHOO M57 chair delivers. Although it leans more towards functionality than plushness. The mesh-only design offers excellent support and keeps you cool, but it doesn't give you the feeling of sinking into a cloud. It strikes a balance between comfort and maintaining an upright posture, which is ideal for a work chair where you need to stay focused. The adjustability of this chair is where it shines. It allows you to achieve a feet-on-the-floor position that may have been elusive with your previous chair. The ability to move the armrests forward and backward is a welcome feature, providing better wrist support. The highlight, however, is the lumbar support with its additional cushion, offering a luxurious touch to your spine. The SIHOO M57 chair provides ample space, allowing you to sit comfortably, and it accommodates a range of heights. However, taller individuals may find it less suitable. For me, at 5 feet 5, it was a perfect fit, but my 6 feet 2 companion felt he was on the upper end of suitability. The tilting headrest is a nice touch, providing support without requiring you to lean your head too far back. It's important to note that the SIHOO M57 chair falls into the mid-range price bracket and offers good ergonomic credentials. The build and material quality maintain their position in this range. With an RRP of around $229, you can find it at a lower price on platforms like Amazon or other third-party retailers. Check below for the latest deals. That wraps up our review of the SIHOO M57 chair. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more informative reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.